In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make money online even if you're a beginner, even if you're broke and have no money. Yes, that's right, you don't need any money to do this method, and if you've been trying to make money online, this is one of the best methods to start, even if you've never done this before. Now, I've been making money online for a long time and continue to do so on a daily basis, showing that money can indeed be made online. In fact, I showed my subscribers how I made $45,000 in 3 days in one of my most recent videos on my channel, and I also have a video showing you how I make $3,000 per day online in another. So stay tuned and pay attention to the tips and tricks I'll be showing you. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. In this video, we're gonna go over a few simple steps that will walk you through this and show you how to start and grow wealth online. And by the end of this video, I'll have taken you from complete beginner to expert, and you'll know how to make money online. So the first step is simple. We need to actually find a network and a product to promote, and you might be thinking, how do I do this? Like, how do I actually make money online without having something to promote, without having my own product? Now, you don't actually need your own product to make money online. What you can actually do is go to a website called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate marketing marketplace, so you can find products where you get a commission. More on that in a minute. What you want to do is you want to sign up for an account, and it's very simple to do. The next step is you want to log in and click on Marketplace, and you'll be taken to a place that looks like this, and you can go down and find particular products to promote. So for example, if we clicked on e-business and e-marketing, I would make $100 if I promoted this. I would make $20 if I promoted this. So this is actually what you make, and to promote a product, all you do is click promote and you'll get what we call a link, and I'll click generate hop links, and there's a link right here. Now, I've actually been making quite a bit of money with this week, so we're $17,000 to $40,000, so we've done over $50,000 in this account in the last 2 weeks. Now, what I want to actually talk to you about is if we go back to the marketplace, you've got all of these industries that you can find products to promote. Now, for this particular method, I recommend you find a product that's connected to a hobby or something that you have a little bit of knowledge of or you actually have an interest in. So for this example, we're gonna go to the games, and we're gonna go into the gaming niche, and these are the types of products that we can promote. So this one here is the Doogie World of Warcraft guides, where we'll get $131 per sale, so 2 or 3 of those per day, and that's $260 per day. We've got this one here, which is the $223 in the FIFA game. If we go down, we have more. This one here is World of Warcraft Gold Guide for $354 each. So this is where you actually find the products to promote. Now, what I could actually do is I could open this up. This is the gold one, and I could go to here, and here we go. So people can buy this product and they can get more gold in World of Warcraft, and all I would need to do is click promote, and I would get this link, generated link, and I'll send people to this link here. Now, if someone makes a purchase on the gold, on the course, or whatever it is, you get money, and the person that owns the product also gets money. This is called affiliate marketing. But the problem most people have is, how do you actually get people to purchase? How do you get the traffic? That's really the big thing. Like, there's lots of products you can promote, but what I recommend you do is pick an industry or a product that you have a little bit of knowledge on for this traffic method that we're going to be using. With that said, here's the next step. So step number 2 is we need to get traffic to your link. So let's say in ClickBank, you've found an industry and a product that you're interested in. By the way, if you go to the affiliate page here, they actually give you resources that you can use depending on the product that you promote. Some don't have resources and some do. This one does. They have banners, videos, and free trials that you can use. You can also send people to a free trial page. You can do PPC campaigns or pay-per-click campaigns advertising. they have pre-made ad copy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, here's how we get free traffic. So, if we actually go up to Facebook, on your Facebook page, what you want to do is you want to go down to groups and you want to search groups. I'm gonna put in World of Warcraft. Now, you can do general gaming and stuff like that, it doesn't really matter. But if you do Warcraft, it's really specific. Now, usually most gurus online will tell you to go into these groups and spam your link, but you don't want to do that because it's not really going to work in the long term. You're not going to make money consistently doing that method, so what you want to do is take advantage of something that Facebook's doing right now. So Facebook is really pushing groups, we're growing groups really quickly. I have one of my groups that has 37,000 members and I haven't really done anything to promote that. I've just let Facebook do the work for me. So what you actually want to do is you want to go and create your own group based on World of Warcraft or whatever product that you're trying to promote. To do that, just go here and go to group. Then what you want to do is you want to have the keyword in your group name. So I might say something like World of Warcraft tips, and you're gonna start a group on World of Warcraft tips. Now you want to be providing value in the group. You need to keep engagement going, get people engaged. There's a few ways you can do that. You can run polls, you can ask questions, say, look, we need to get rid of the spam. Don't do that because you'll just get banned. What you want to do is you want to provide value. So here is one of the loyal members, and he's basically got a whole article here on value, right? Then loads of people comment, 100 comments. What Facebook does is they actually go and push your group to a lot of places. So first of all, they will actually push it in the search bar, but when people are actually in groups, they can see your group on the sidebar as a suggested group. That's how you grow these groups because Facebook is pushing groups more and more. If I go to groups right now and take out World of Warcraft, what happens is you can go back to people and go to the Discover page, and all of these groups get suggested to them, and we've got categories, we've got all kinds of things, and here's a group with 105, 102,000 members, 85,000 members, and you basically want to go and build your own community and keep it engaged, because if you keep it engaged, Facebook will then promote it. Now here's a small trick. If you don't know where to get tips and tricks on this topic, you can actually just search for World of Warcraft tips on Google and go to these websites and rewrite your own content based on this type of info. Simply rewrite it into your groups, as this person has done a fantastic job here and people are becoming more engaged. You want to go write some extremely interesting stuff and expand that group. After your group has grown, you can then start to monetize it. So I post YouTube videos here and profit from them. I also have this pinned post at the top, and I earn from all of my products. So what happens is that people come in, see these links, and make money from them. So you could go ahead and add your ClickBank affiliate link to this group. Now, the most important thing is to grow your group and don't try to make money straight away. If you start spamming links in your group, Facebook will pick up on that and your group will die. It's happened to lots of my groups and they had to start new groups. You want to get engagement first and then maybe once a week post a link to the product, just don't do it every single day. Now, the best thing about Facebook and their group structure is that they now have things on the side like growth stuff and engagement stats. So you can actually see how your group is growing and you can keep growing it by putting in the effort to provide value, and then what happens is your group shows on the suggested feed in Facebook. And I'm telling you right now, groups are really growing fast in Facebook. This one here, 28,000, we've got 7,000 here, 21,000, 4,000, 49,000, 71,000. So you've got all of these people that you can promote these products to, and because you're in the World of Warcraft niche, there's actually 2 products that you can promote from ClickBank. This one costs $354 in the World of Warcraft niche, so all you have to do is promote it. Once you've built up your group, you can post it here, but first you need to provide value to grow that group in order to make it a steady stream of income. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.